Yeah!
Kim and Kelly!
Kick the ball, Kelly.
Take the shot, Kim.
This is my best shot, Kelly.
That was my super shot with my super shoes.
Oof, I'm tired, Kelly.
Kick the ball back, Kim.
Kelly, we are done for the day.
Okay, Kim. We will continue tomorrow from here only.
Meet you tomorrow.
Come back, Kelly. Take your evening snacks.
Where is my ball? Oh no! Hey Kim, did you take my football?
No, Kelly. I don't have your football.
Please check at your home, Kim.
Okay, let me have a look. It's not around my home, Kelly.
Oh no! Even my shoes are missing. Did you take it?
No, Kelly. I didn't take either of them.
Are you doing a prank on me?
Believe me, Kelly, I'm not doing any sort of prank.
What happened, Kim and Kelly? What issues are you facing?
Kim took my favorite ball and shoes, and now he's not returning it to me.
No, Officer Gagnon. I did not take Kelly's football, not even her shoes.
It's wrong, dear Kelly. You cannot make someone a culprit on the basis of your belief. Kim is an innocent boy, and he is your best friend too.
I'm sorry, Kim. I was just worried, and I blamed you.
Okay, Kelly. Now tell me, where did you see the football last time?
I do not remember where I saw it last time, but I looked for it everywhere.
Maybe you should check your home.
I did check all across the house.
Let's look once at your room, Kelly. Oh, Kelly, your home is cluttered and unorganized.
Yeah, Officer Gagnon.
Kelly, see, your football is here.
But who kept here?
What happened? Why everyone is here?
Actually, Kelly just lost her football, which we finally found in her room.
Yesterday evening, the ball was lying in the lawn, so I just picked it up and kept the ball inside.
Oh, is it? And I was blaming Kim.
That's not fair, Kelly. Please apologize to them.
I'm sorry, Kim, for blaming you. And I'm sorry, Officer Gagnon, for all the trouble. I promise. Now onwards, I will stay organized.
Good, Kelly. When you stay organized and keep your things neatly, they are easy to find and it looks good. Right, Kim?
Yes, officer.
So from next time, stay organized.
Yes. Yara quiz. Help Officer Gagnon to find the football from Kelly's room.
If you like our video and want to watch some more, click on like and subscribe.